It's a 2025 Volkswagen Amarok protected with a Starline S9 alarm system. So this system has an app so you can see the vehicle anywhere, you can see statuses, locks and unlocks using the factory key. So we lock it. When the system's armed, you'll see we get a bubble over the car, vehicle's protected. We unlock, the vehicle, the bubble disappears around the vehicle, but you see we have sort of a no entry sign. This means the system's immobilised. So if someone grabbed the key, went to drive the vehicle off, they pop it into gear, you see the vehicle cuts out, puts itself back into park, and it's going nowhere without a code. So when we get in it, we'll start the car. 1, 2, 3 is our code for now. You'll see we get a double flash from up here, double bleep. The system's now disarmed and we can pop it into gear and the vehicle remains running and we can drive away. We'll just pop it back into park for now. But with the system disarmed, you'll see in a second this no entry sign is going to disappear. You can see as well that the fumes at the back mean the engine's running. You see statuses on here, battery voltage, temperature, fuel, mileage, and so on through here. You can also zoom in and see where the vehicle is. With this app you can do loads of features, so you can lock and unlock the van from anywhere in the world. So if we just unlock, and someone can get in the vehicle and get something out of it. If you've lost it in a car park, you have features like to make a sound and find it. You've also got service mode in here to turn the system off entirely, and so on. If someone was to attack this vehicle while it was armed, the S9 alarm system has tilt, motion and shock, and we also have an additional sensor in the rear of this vehicle. If someone tried to get access to the tools in the rear, whether they open the boot lid or they slide this cover open, the system's going to go off, we're going to get a phone call. Silence it using the remote. After about 10 seconds of arming, someone applies a force to the vehicle, hits it, lifts it, moves it. We're going to get a phone call. It also shows us that the vehicle was hit and the door's been opened, and that's why it's triggered within the app. As you see, we got the phone call. If we answered that, it would have told us what was going on if we weren't in the app. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2025 Volkswagen Amarok. Thanks for watching.